Good afternoon, YouTube. This is some TPU filament. Still have to do a few adjustments on the bed level there, but I figured I would print this. It's a pretty easy part. I wanted to print this part because I need to check the dimensions. So let's go out and see how I made out on the dimensions. I'm trying to get a particular circumference of this. I tried measuring it with some parachute cord. So I'm just trying to see if my rough measurement with parachute cord is the right length, or do I need to make it a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller. Let's go out and try fitting this in place and see if it's the right size. Yeah, so this is what that part is for. This is the little retainer for the factory bottle jack. This used to be like a big rubber band. It was maybe 1/4 to 5/16 inch, 6 to 8 millimeter round rubber, like a bungee cord. Oh, I don't know how long ago it was, 5 years ago or so. I opened this up once and there was just little chunks of dried rubber left. It had all broken. It looks like I'm gonna have to make this a little shorter. It won't quite fit. Yeah, so that squeezes in there. Yeah, I might shave that down a little bit, but we'll see. There's 2 hooks down here. I have to see if I can get them in there. But there you can see those hooks. Yeah, that's the whole thing. Is I just want to see, give this guy a test fit in there. Yeah, I'll just leave it loose for now. Yeah, I think if I make it a little bit smaller, it'll bend a little easier. And then make it just a bit longer. I think I have it at 103 millimeter diameter right now. That'll fit. It's a little too tight. Actually, I think if I keep the diameter the same and just reduce the height and width maybe to 6. I have it at 8 millimeters, 8 by 8 right now. And I think 6 by 6 might do it. That'll make it a little stretchier and make it conform a little tighter here. Yeah, so today I want to test fit a new bottle jack retainer cord here. So I just got that off the printer this morning. Revised the dimensions a little bit. Let's see if I can get this in here. Yeah, that one fits in there a lot nicer. It's not quite as tight a fit in through those hooks there. And this one should fit in the hook here a little easier. And I made this one just a little bit longer. I think that's about right. Yeah, even with it loose. Yeah. Yeah, I think that fits pretty nice. Has a little bit of stretch to it, but yeah, you can take it off with one hand. Yeah, this isn't quite as stretchy as the rubber. I bet once it sits on there and kind of forms into place, that'll be just about right. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you the final result. I think that's going to do the job. So like I said, if anyone's interested in something like that, if you need a replacement and you still have the clip, we can get you the polyurethane ring here. I'll also put a link in the video description for an eBay search that'll show some of these online. You know, if you're missing the clip part here, you're going to need to pick up the whole thing. These same straps are used like even on the Tacoma pickup. So if you have a early 4Runner and you can find a Tacoma pickup in the junkyard, you could probably pick one of these up pretty cheap. I think that'll do the job, so I thought I'd show you the new part. If you have any questions, post up in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching.